You have agreed to allow us to hold your home open. And open houses are a great way to maximize exposure to buyers, especially those that are not yet working with an agent. So, a few things I want you to think about. Plan to clear out of the house. We don't want you as the seller there, although we like spending time with you. It's just not something that sellers do. Make sure the house is clean and tidy and clutter free and secure. Anything that you want to keep secure, like prescription drugs and also weapons, make sure that they are put away. I know that sounds strange, and we are definitely going to keep a watch on everybody that comes in, but I just want you to be thinking about ways to keep your house safe. Now, it may be me holding your house open. It may be another agent in my office who would like the experience. So what I can tell you is that after the open house, and it might take a day to do so, I will get you feedback about how it went, how many people came, what they said. Sometimes just after the open house, myself or another agent have to kind of rush off to do something else, so we may not be able to circle back and get you that information, but I promise I will give you an update about how it went.